Good morning, children. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
children.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So,
Good
you all
morning,
are,
ma'am.
yes, good morning. Switch off your microphones now. You all are ready for today's CET, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So, we are going to take a CET of which chapter today?
Part four.
Parts and wholes. Yes. So,
Part
I'm
and
going to present you something to just have a recap. After that, I'll present you the Google form for CET. First 5 minutes, I'll take a recap. Just guide me whether it is visible or not.
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. It is visible. Yes, it's visible.
It is visible now?
It is visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Okay.
visible.
Okay. Now listen. I'm going to give you a brief description what we have learned in our past classes. So it's fraction. What is the objective? After completing this chapter, you will able to understand about the fraction which we have done. A fraction is a part of a whole or part of a group. It might be part of a pair, half of an apple, or a three of a dozen. A fraction such as 1 upon 2 has two numbers. The top number is called numerator and the bottom number is called denominator. As you can see here in the example, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Can you all hear me? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ye-
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So fractions have three different types. We have learned more than three also. First, we discussed the basic three. Proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. Here you can see the numerator is 1 in the first example, then the denominator is 3. So here it's a proper fraction because 1 is less than the 3. Next example, 4 upon 7, 4 is less than the 7. So proper fraction says the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Next, improper fraction, the numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Equal to here means when numerator and the denominator both are same, then also it's an improper fraction, so like 5 upon 5, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 8. Or the next is the numerator is greater than the denominator, like 9 upon 7. Here you can see numerator is larger than the denominator. Then is the mixed fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction together. These both the things you will get. You will get the proper fraction and the whole number also. Here you can see 4. We will read the mixed fraction in this way. 4 whole number 1 upon 3 means out of 5 or other things, 4 is the whole, and the next from the next thing you have written 1/3. Now conversion also we have learned how to convert the fractions, how to convert 9 upon 2 into mixed fraction. We have learned by division method. So after dividing, 4 is the whole number, 1 upon 2. This way we have learned conversion also. Then we have learned how to find the value. Find the value here, like for example, if I take the telephone bill is 8/3 more than last year. So what is the last year? Here it is given last year bill is 21. So what is the bill for this year? So out of 21 you will get the 8 upon 3. So 8 upon 3 of 21 is, so you have to first divide and then multiply, is 56. So now the total bill is of last year is 21 and this year is 56. Am I audible to everyone, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Very
Yes,
clearly.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Clear and
Okay,
fine.
thank you. So go to the next. We have learned here find the value. Let's just have a this quiz. I will ask from the question from children. I'll call the name. That child only will answer me. Most public school will be closed for 2 months in summer. What fraction represent the time when schools were open in a year? So what will be the answer? Can Advika will tell me what is the fraction of this question?
Ma'am, 2 upon 12.
2 upon 12. Let's check. Yes, it's 2 upon 12. Very good. Next, the child with letter D will answer me which fraction is equivalent to 6 upon
Ma'am,
8?
3 upon 4.
Very good. Go to the next child. What fraction of the circle is represented by one color piece? What will be the fraction of each color? This will tell by letter J. Child whose name starts with letter J can switch on the microphone and speak.
Ma'am, 1 upon 12.
Very good. So let's see the answer. It's 1 upon 13. You have faced the difficulty of counting the number of these. So we start with the purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12. Yeah, you are right, Josh. It's 1 upon 12. So go to the next. What fraction of the circle is represented by one colored piece? This goes to the next letter Y. The child will switch on with letter Y.
1 upon 8.
1 upon 8. We count 1. We start with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So let's check the answer. Yes, it's 1 upon 8. Go to the next. Which of these is an which of these is an improper fraction of the following numbers? This goes to the letter R. Can switch on the microphone and speak.
23 upon 3.
23 upon 3. Yes, let's check the answer. Yes, it's 23 upon 3. So there are 54 mangoes. 2/3 of them are ripe. How many mangoes are unripe? Who will calculate the answer of this? Can switch
1 upon 3.
Can switch on the microphone. No, my dear, its fraction is 1 upon 3. But what will be the mangoes? How many mangoes are unripe? Please calculate how many mangoes are unripe, how many are ripe, how many are unripe. Ripe, you will able to
36.
calculate by 2/3.
36. 36 are unripe.
So let's see.
No, ma'am, it's wrong.
What is the 2/3 of 54?
36.
2/3 of 54 is
36.
36. So out of 54, can you subtract
18, ma'am,
36?
18.
Yes, it's 18. Yes. No, my dear. 36.
Unripe are
Please switch off your microphone, children.
Ma'am, 38.
36 were the ripe because we were calculating what is the 2/3 of 54. That we have calculated 36. What is unripe then? 54 minus 36 is 18. Clear? Now find the lowest of 7 upon 2. Here it is given 3 whole number, 1 upon 2, 2 upon
1
7.
upon 2, 3.
So which option it is?
3 whole number and 1 upon 2. Ma'am,
Yes.
D,
3
ma'am.
whole number, 1 upon 2. So these are the options. So what will be the answer? A, B,
3 whole
C
number
or
and
D?
1 upon 2.
So answer is
B.
A.
A.
So now this way we have done the quick recap. It's time to start our test now.
Ma'am, which
Yes, children, tell me. I'm going to give you the link in the chat box. You all have to click that link. So after that, I don't want any messages in the chat box. 1, 2, 3, start. All the best to you all. Link is posted in the chat box. Please start. Madhuri ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
is my link visible in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am, it has come.
Okay. So children, please click on link. I have posted 2 times. Please click on link and start your CET. I'm going to present it.
Ma'am, can you send it in classroom?
Yes, I will send it in the classroom as well. Children, it's posted in the classroom also. If you're not able to click from the chat box, please go to classroom and click.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
going to.
It is visible
Yes.
in both the Meet and the classroom as well.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I'm going to present my Google form here also on the screen. Is it visible, ma'am, on the screen?
Yes, ma'am, visible. We can see the form, ma'am.
Yes. Children, please write your name. After writing your name, please write your email ID. P dot the child name dot surname @tvis.edu.in. And
Ma'am,
then,
it's showing you need permission.
yes,
It's showing you need permission.
to which child is this?
Mantra. Mantra
No,
is
ma'am,
telling.
I have ma'am, I have opened it as
Yes,
open.
yes, I'm talking to the child who facing the problem. Tell me the child name.
Mantra.
Mantra.
Mantra, you have a difficulty, I think, to this. Please go both the sides in the classroom also. You can search. Click from there.
Ma'am,
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, other children are doing?
Yes, ma'am, they are doing. They are reading it right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the end, I'll show you your responses also, your marks also, and we'll discuss the paper also.
They are putting the
Ma'am.
marks on the chat box, ma'am.
No, no, my dear, please. This
Mayank
is
Sharma.
strictly, please do not put the marks in the chat box.
ma'am, it's still not coming. It's still showing you need permission.
Mantra, I think you were facing this problem from last few days because you face in the English subject also.
Yes, ma'am.
And till now you have not reported to the ICT, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how, my dear, you will get the CTs? Mantra, wait, I'll post the another link also. If it will work. Just check, Mantra.
No, ma'am, it's still not coming.
Then, my dear, you have some problem in your this connection. Okay, but now it's time to report. It's very late then for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other child facing problem?
No, ma'am, everyone is doing. They are reading and working out.
Yes, yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done the test, but it is not submitting.
This is Jaival. Jaival?
Who is facing that issue? Please tell your name.
Ma'am, I'm Jaivar only.
Jaival.
Jaival, you face this problem in the worksheet also. Please click on the responses submit button. I'll read the questions for you all. In the word fraction, what is the fraction of the vowels? By how much is 17 upon 21 is greater than the 15 upon 21? 50 upon 6 is same as which option? You have to click. The denominator of 8 upon 11 is, in 8 upon 11, what is the denominator? 11 upon 10 is which fraction? Which type of fraction? We have learned already the different types of fraction. Dash is a unit fraction. Out of these options, which fraction is a unit fraction? 2 whole number 2 upon 5 is same as which fraction? Compare which is greater, 5 upon 7 or 3 upon 8. Write in ascending order. So you have to click any one option which is in ascending order. And then at the last, you have to add these fractions. Please do with patience, with proper method, solve it, and then click on the right option. Don't be in hurry. You have time.
Just type done when you have finished. Do not type anything in the chat box except done.
I can see 8 to 10 students have completed their CET. Ma'am, how many are total?
There are 32 on board, ma'am,
Okay.
excluding V2.
Okay.
हेलो रेनू मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
जयवल्स मदर
Yeah, ma'am. Tell me.
मैम उसका सबमिट नहीं हो पा रहा है.
I think he is facing a problem. Before also, when I sent the Google Form worksheet,
बट मैम उसका अपने स्टूडेंट ईमेल अकाउंट से तो उसका होना चाहिए ना, लेकिन वो भी नहीं हो रहा है.
so he should report because he is facing this problem in all the classes
ओके, बताइए.
with the Google.
No,
With the
ma'am.
नो मैम,
Only this class.
ओनली दिस क्लास, बाकी सब सब्जेक्ट में वो सबमिट कर रहा है.
So why there is a problem? Just click another form again and do it again and click submit. And click on the responses button also, children. When there is a down, no, you have to scroll that send me the responses. You have to on that button. So then you will get the responses also. Please switch off your microphone. Switch off your
I have
microphone.
done
I'm
the
getting
test.
the backward voices, please.
Just Rupalilia, turn on your microphone off,
Ma'am,
please.
it's on only.
No, mute it, beta. Just mute the mic.
Ma'am, what is a unit fraction?
Two questions
Pardon? Yes, just.
What is unit fraction?
If you are asking here in the CET, how I will answer you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, two question I have clicked on right, but it is saying wrong.
I will check. We will check. We will check. When we'll discuss the answer, we will check.
मैम
Which child is this?
मैंने राइट पे क्लिक किया था पर वो रॉन्ग आ
Which
गया.
child is this? Tell me
Purva,
the name.
Purva.
Purva. Purva, in which questions you face the difficulty?
Ma'am, in unit 1 and in last one.
Okay, I will discuss. I will discuss with you, my dear. When I'll discuss the answer, I will call you. Children, please do it fast. I can see only 15 students have done. Please make it little faster.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Aheli, now but you have submitted your form.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can hear you properly.
Okay. Please fast. After 5 minutes, I'll start discussing the answers. So please, before that, you have to submit your form.
Ascending means big to small or small to big?
Don't discuss right now.
Ascending.
Please switch off your microphone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Kanan is completed, but ascending and descending concept is not clear.
Okay, sir, have you got my recorded videos?
Yeah.
In that, there was this topic.
Okay.
So, whether she has done or not, because she
No, one-
missed my classes, right?
Yeah.
So that's why I have sent the recording as per your request.
Okay, I will check it.
Yes.
In which
In case you feel the difficulty, I'll send my recorded video again to her. The personal pre-recorded video also.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, from 1 to 2 weeks, my Google Classroom was not working, and I was not able to join my online class. So can you send the recording?
I want a mail, my dear. If you send me the
Okay,
mail that
ma'am.
which classes you have not attended and the reason.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, I can see only 23, 24 responses. Please, faster.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
if you can just stop sharing your screen, then I can see the everybody I can see on the board.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. I request everyone to keep the cameras also on. You already told that you have to keep your cameras on during the class.
Children, 3 to 4 minutes are left. Then I will discuss the answer.
I think Renu ma'am, many of them have completed.
So I should share. I will check, ma'am. First, I will share the marks.
It's okay, Aheli, no issues.
Okay, but here I can see, ma'am, 26 only, and the children are 34 around, 32, 33, right?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
So should I start sharing?
Have everyone completed? Anybody left out, please turn on your mic and tell us. Anyone who is still writing? Ma'am, there is no response. You can continue.
Okay. So Mayank got 12. Advika 20 out of 20. Dhi 12. Yash Malhotra 6. 12. Ridhima 12. Aryan 16. Swara 12. Daksh 8. Aheli 8. Nishika 16. Devanshi 16. Ishana 16. Purv 10. Darsh 4. Darsh, what happened? Not paying attention at all in the class. Arna Agarwal 18. Aurav 20. Yashvi 12. Anubhavi 18. Kanan 18. Very good, Kanan. Om Patel 6 only. Jaiwal 6. Arush 14. Krishita 20. Vedansh 18. Preet 20. Jash 18. Riva 16. So these are the marks. Have you all got your marks? Switch on your microphone and speak. Yes. So children, those who got below 12, sorry, below 10, they need to work hard. And please, you have to attend the classes regularly. Please attend the classes regularly. Please attempt the Google Forms, the revision worksheets in the Google Form regularly. It's my special request to each and every child. Children, I have noticed whenever I am sending you the revision worksheets, even though also I'm not getting the proper response, timely response from all the children. If in class there are 30-40 students, only 50% students are attempting. Only 10 to 12 children are attempting. So this is the result which I am getting. If you will not pay attention regularly, I'm talking to those children, though they know that they are irregular in maths class. If they are irregular, if they are not in touch with the work the ma'am is sending, sorry children, then you will face difficulty in mathematics. Okay, so it's from both the sides, from my sides and from your sides also. We together only will rock. Otherwise, alone I will not able to do anything, or you also will not able to do anything. Now let's discuss the answers. I will tell the child name. That child only will answer me. In word fraction, what is the fraction of vowels? Is any child face difficulty in this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Which child?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I just want the child who face the difficulty. Which child face the difficulty in this question? Tell me your name. I will not able to see. Purv. Except Purv, who face difficulty in this? Arush. See children, the question is.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Jaiwal.
Okay, Jaiwal. I will explain you. Please pay attention here. If you have remembered that this question, this type of question we have done in grade 4 also. And there in any of the your summative or formative, I have asked that how many vowels in the word umbrella, right? Now here I have written the fraction of how many, what is the fraction of vowels in this word fraction? So how many vowels are there in the word fraction? Can you tell me? You have learned vowels in English, right? So we can see the A is the vowel, I is the vowel, and O is the vowel. So how many vowels are there? 3. And how many total words are there? Letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the answer?
3/8.
Yes. Got it, Josh? Those who are facing the problem.
No, ma'am. I was not facing it.
You are?
Josh was not facing problem. It was Purva.
Yes, I'm talking to other children only, those who facing the problem. Now is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go to the next. By how much is 17 upon 21 greater than 15 upon 21? Is Daksh Patel is there in the class? 17 upon 21 greater than 15 upon 21. We will do it little faster because
Yes, ma'am. Daksh is there in the class.
so if we see 21 upon 21 and 21 in both the fractions, denominator is same. So 17 minus 15 is 2. So answer will be 2 upon 21, the fourth option. Yes. So answer is the fourth option. 50 upon 6. What is the lowest term of this? What is the mixed fraction for this? Tell me.
3/7 and 6 whole number.
Yes, 6 whole number. So you can't say 3 upon 7 and 6 whole number. It is 6 whole number, 3 upon 7.
And question 2.
The denominator of 8 upon 11. The denominator in this fraction is 11. So the option second is the answer. 11 upon 10 is dash fraction. Which fraction is this when the numerator is greater? Yes.
Improper
When the numerator is greater than the denominator, it's improper.
Ma'am, 1/5 because
Yes. Poor was facing difficulty. Please switch off your microphone, everyone. Poor was facing difficulty in this, that dash is a unit fraction.
Ma'am, I
Yes. Even Josh also asked.
Ma'am, because there is many fraction and unit fraction has 1 at the top.
Yes. So the 1 upon 5 will be answer, because in unit fraction, you will get numerator as 1.
Now trying to ascending.
Please switch off your microphone. Now you have to solve 2 whole number 2 upon 5. So 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2, 12 upon 5. Option 1. Yes, option 1 is the answer. Compare which is greater. When you see the denominators are not same, in that case you have to make the denominators same. So what will be the answer?
5 upon 7.
Yes. Go to the next, write in ascending order. When you see all the numerators are same, how you will arrange them in the ascending order?
2 upon 11, 2 upon 9, 2 upon
Yes.
7.
When the
and 5
numerators are same, then the denominator
Ma'am,
will...
question 2 is the right. We
Yes,
denominator
option
is
two.
bigger.
Yes, the denominator which is bigger
It is smaller.
smaller. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. How you will solve?
1. 13 upon 5. 15. 13 upon 15.
Yes. It's 13 upon. Okay. I hope it's clear to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Do practice. Give me response timely. It's my special request to everyone. Send me the responses whenever I send the Google form. Please send me the responses timely. Attempt the paper timely. It's for your benefit also. Whenever you face difficulty, ask me in the next class. Clear? So done for you. Next class will be conducted by Kanak ma'am. Continue with the next chapter. Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.